You understand me? Yaksta, make them know say a roar, we are going to roar this morning. So a music and reasoning, we are deal with this morning to beat the kangaroo them. Because all the bad mind people them, all the people them, we are trouble the wrong set of people them, a kangaroo we are going to call you know. So Yaksta, make them know say DJ Bent is out roaring. Because we come to talk about Bounty Killer Vibes Cartel, because this is one big discussion in a dance hall where nobody seems to understand what go on. You understand me? Make them roar, Yaksta.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Them Jah Jah me say whip them. Whip them, Jah Jah me say whip them.
If any liars in the council, evict them. So them are still a wall lion.
Kill lion roar.
This me iron
Stop, Yaksta. You hear me? To all of the people them out there, we are question DJ Bent credibility. We are question where DJ Bent come from. We are trying to mix me up in a bangarang. We are trying to mix me up in a colorism. And all of these sort of classification, no put that one side. Me no need to come and prove myself. You hear me? Can a few wanna message me half the ear with some very disrespectful thing for no reason at all. Uno come and other people uno praise them like God. But uno own Jamaican. Uno are the first one to try and sing them. But you see to all of uno kangaroo we try to sing. We want to sing DJ Bent. I want to say the most things them wanna go so. Yaksta, more you put things on them. Make them know say I whip Jah Jah go whip them. You hear me, Yaksta? Put things on people. We no play around here.
Whip them, Jah Jah me say whip them. If any liars in the council, evict them. So them are still a wall lion. Kill lion roar. This me iron short. Sassy guys counting up Zion door. Black woman you are your door. Love you me a more. Woman you am a queen. Defend you to the core. Kill lion roar. This me iron short. Dirty yard counting up Zion door. Black woman you are your door. Love you me a more. Woman you am a queen. Defend you to the core. Fear say me slow down now. Pick up another speed. Couldn't be a follower in the fit to kill it. Greatness family if me mother breed. If I know that a rifle, be a shot we beat. Tell we God and for part up a sleep. Nothing I give no noise to no sada weed. When bush talk, propaganda speak. Raw blood clot I create no grab a leaf. Things let me run the use them when them grab a leaf. Just now one them make one another bleed. Liquor store that's a oof, drop another piece. Poverty fuck off, every rasta need. You know make you lion roar. It's me iron short. Sassy guys counting up Zion door. That woman you are your door. Love you me a more. Woman you am a queen. Defend you to the core.
We're going to play about that song here one more time for the top people because here we are going. You see the music has some powerful music. You see the youth here name Yaksta. The youth here come like he got a piece of Peter touch in him. So Yaksta, I want to know a piece of Peter touch there in your brother. Because you see the music where you do and you see the vibration where you're upon. You hear me? I mean, see you get carried away by any accolade or anything where you achieve in a music. You remain firm. You remain true to the thing. You see me upon, you're not one of them artists that will rise up and then rise off. You just rise up and you hold the fort and you continue to do real good reggae music. And we have to mention you and make you know say piece of Peter touch there in you. You understand? Because we see it in you. We see it in you. You understand me? We see it in a Bushman. Now we see it in you. You understand me? Jesse Royal was one of them Rasta the same way. And the list goes on. So we are playing real music for the real people them. We are going to play about the Yaksta from the top to all of the wicked kangaroo them out there. A whip, you know, get whipped this morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.